you can see images of these Vietnamese people, such beautiful shots.
Makes you wonder why this is, no? Who came up with this concept? Why did they come up with this
Someone must have
concept?
said that I want to put the whole bridge on fire to show Vietnamese portraits, which is like what? Are these people? Is it like the people of Vietnam are burning?
I don't know, I think it's more sort of, like Mai said, burning the bridges. It may be a commemoration to whatever the country's history may be. What do you think, Mai?
It could be like a homage. Like the fire is a homage to all those who have passed. And the portraits are the present. So it's like water under the bridge now.
But why with fire? My question would just be why with fire?
Actually, for all you know, it's just a concept. Because like that man told us, these photographs are by a famous French photographer and this is his exhibition in this festival. So maybe somebody just said that let's do an installation which is a kick-ass installation and people will make sure that they just want to be here. Like for us, just being here and experiencing this, I'm going back with a lifetime of a feeling.
Yeah, I agree.
Back with a lot of goosebumps.
Yeah, I mean, this is incredibly stunning. I don't think any of us had ever seen anything like this before.
I don't think we even expected it actually. We thought that we were seeing some cultural performances, some dance, some music, but we actually expected this.
The massive scale at which they've done this is just, I mean, beyond anything anyone could have imagined.
It's a bridge.
Yeah, exactly. It's a fucking hot bridge.
And people are walking. And everybody is like,
I think even though I can see them marveling poses and stuff, but I think everybody has had their share of awe when they look at it.
Absolutely. You can't not
you
be
remember
awed.
how people were fighting to get on the bridge?
Yeah.
It was a scene from India. It was worse than
train.
getting into a local train where people are just wanting to get on the bridge. He didn't. And we were sort of the smart ones. We came in waving to the cop from India, let us in from India. And the cop sort of melted. I thank that cop for making me walk under this.
Seriously.
From far when we were looking at it, it just looks like lights.
Yeah, but we could figure out it was calling out to us. We could just like, okay, let's go there, let's go. Okay, let's go there, let's go.
There are very few feelings that can compare to what I think I felt today on this bridge. It's just incredulity at a level that it's just incomparable.
And look at the portraits. Let's zoom into one or two of these portraits because I mean, they each
I'm going to
just speak to it.
Volumes. It speaks volumes about the people, about the culture, about their background, about the state of living. It just speaks volumes.
Yeah, just
And
look
you
at
know
this
what's
man.
brilliant?
Just look at this man.
To us. Like I can see them say,
And it's like I look at this man, I look at these figures, these people, and the flames are constantly reflecting on it.
Absolutely.
I mean, it makes you think more.
it's like an introspection.
And when you look at these images, you look at these whole bunch of people and you see this vibrance in their culture because they're people from different parts of Vietnam, I'm assuming, different tribes, different social statuses, different ages, going about their daily chores, mother and child, and it's beautiful.
It's like actually like a slice of the entire country.
Absolutely. I mean, it's
And
the country
photos have
on
so
one
much-
burning bridge.
Yeah, like this
The
photos have
country
so
on
many-
one burning bridge. People, is there a term for people of Vietnam?
Vietnamese.
Saigon.
Saigonians? I would assume so.
I thought Saigon was Ho Chi Minh ka original name.
Yeah, but they were originally known as in it was
Like Siamese for
Saigon.
Thai people.
But can you believe this bridge would be nothing short of a half a kilometer and every single corner of it is on fire together.
And I wonder,
It's
is
incredible.
the metal hot? Okay, let us check.
Check
Is the
it out.
metal hot? Because don't burn yourself in the process.
Yeah, just be like
Okay,
careful.
just wait. Okay, just take my hand, okay? Like just take my hand.
It is hot, but it's not like when metal burns.
You know, they also have a walkway on the other side which they've shut very smartly. I mean, they've taken safety precautions. There's no, but it's just it's.
And people are watching a movie.
Hold on. We're gonna try and get a bit of the movie in this. No, we're just trying to get a bit of the movie.
So whenever a part of the bridge gets over, there's a projector, and the projector is actually airing movies on top of the screen. And these are documentaries about Vietnam, so it's not just photography.
It really stands. There's something it stands for to do with Vietnam, and I think it'll be incredible to figure it out.
Sorry, no.
More.
And randomly people want to come and take photos. We are not even fair-skinned foreigners that people want to take.
Exactly. Do we look like Goras? I mean, hello.
I think the whole mood is very
I think we look pretty.
celebratory. And everybody just wants to like mingle and all of that.
I completely agree.
It is awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring is the only word.
You know, it's incredible to see the awe on your faces. You guys are like just, you're speechless, you're stunned, but you're just happy. There's just this.
Like I can't stop smiling. Like,
It's like I'm here.
I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm here.
believe somebody did an installation.
Imagine the guy who thought of this idea and he proposed. I mean, who's in charge of the bridge? The government? He went to the government.
Burn it down.
I have an idea.
They said, "Pagal hai kya?" कहाँ से आए हैं?
He must have gone to some like proper government guy and he must have said, listen, we have this exhibition, we want to do it on the bridge. That guy must have said, okay, fine. But we want to make it spectacular, so we want to put the bridge on fire. Imagine that
He wants to set the bridge on fire.
So basically what would have happened is that like, oh, you know, we've got the cultural festival happening, let's get like this kick-ass French guy, okay, he's the best. And they approach him. And you know him being French, he'll be all like, but I want to set the bridge on fire.
I want to set the bridge on fire.
But it's not the French guy's idea, it's only his photographs.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but whose idea is it in that case, and why?
I don't know, but
why?
the Vietnamese guy we met, he said that concept is somebody else and it's an exhibition of a French photographer.
Yeah.
We keep an eye on you, Mama.
But imagine what that photographer must be feeling.
Seriously, I mean, this
Matlab,
you
which
cannot ask for a better display of your work.
Just see that picture.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at the kid peeking from behind.
Seriously, that's just beautiful.
एक तो एक इधर के बच्चे इतने cute है यार. क्या है?
But if it is about to do with the war,
Don't forget this exhibition of his.
Yeah.
He's, you know,
I don't think we're going to
his
forget this
work is
exhibition of
not-
his.
I mean, he must be him honored.
It will be like one of a lifetime. It's like
How many people get that kind of opportunity?
Installation, yeah, it's an installation with amazing honor. Oh, there's a cop, there's a cop. You have to see the cops here. They actually look cute. But
Yeah, kind of. They look like Hitler, dude. All of them are like these hardcore scary. दिख ही नहीं रहा है वो. Against.
okay, we'll try to get some cops. They're the ones who let us in.
It's like a full-blown hot party, dude.
What?
Where are you guys? Still looking up?
yeah.
Oh,
I don't want, it's so hot.
but I don't want to get off the bridge.
So hot. All of us are sweaty, but
We're tired.
we don't really want to
off
off
the
this bridge. Look, and if you look, actually, there like look at the number of people. Look at the number of people in the park. Everybody just wants to see.
And look at the flames. What they've done is they've taken metal buckets.
And they're scented.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I
And they've
don't
got like scented candles in that.
I don't know what it is, but they're scented.
But it
They
has
don't
a
have
scent. It has an
very-
aroma. It's got an aroma.
And a lot of dua. Wow. Wow, just simply wow.
person in Vietnam wants a picture here today, and we from India happen to be here in this day and moment. So I'm sorry I'm repeating this, but it's not just 17 April. We were meant to be. We were meant to be here today. So true. So true. We were destined always all the stars were aligned to make this particular moment happen.
Goosebumps.
Goosebumps.
Actual goosebumps.
The bridge is getting over.
We're just about to step off this bridge, though I don't want to. I don't think they want to either.
There's like a live performance happening there.
But yeah, after this, there is no
Going
live
to the
performance that's
concert now.
worth
We
it.
burnt enough.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm signing off from this video now. Anything else anyone wants to say? One last look at the entire work of art. And yes, it's about half a kilometer long, so I'm trying to get as much as possible.